Okay, this is how to make money as a fitness coach. So let's say you have a six-pack, you're kind of buff, or you just know how to do strength training or weight training or anything having to do with fitness or health. You know how to do workout plans or nutrition, anything having to do with that. This is how I've made money selling coaching, selling fitness programs, selling courses in that area. This is easy as fuck to me as well, because if you're already buff, let's say I'm shredded, I'm buff, bro, you already have the transformation. You're already your first case study, your first client. So you can just show your before and after and get people to buy a $15 ebook or a $1,000 coaching a month or a $500 course on how to lose fat. Okay, so if you want to make money how I was doing it, this is how I did it. First, you do need to start posting on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or YouTube, wherever. How I did it, I started posting on Instagram, okay? This doesn't matter how many followers you have. I think everybody has that misconception that you need millions of followers or hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands or even 1,000 followers to make money like this. And that's simply not true. I have had people that I've taught this to who have less than 500 followers and they end up making thousands of dollars. And I have people who have hundreds of thousands of followers who I try to teach this to and they don't make no money because their audience doesn't give a fuck about that, or because simply something like their followers are little kids, they don't have money to spend on fitness coaching. So I recommend you starting, if you already have an Instagram, just start it on that, bro. You have to get this out of your head that, oh, people are watching me, or oh, what are they gonna think? Fuck them, bro. They're not paying your bills, they're not doing nothing for you. Go on Instagram and start posting daily stories if you're working out every single day, what you eat, what you do, every single day. Then at the end of the day, you create an offer on your Instagram story. This is all it has to be. Put a black screen that says, hey, if you want to lose fat and build muscle, I'm opening up a couple one-on-one coaching spots. DM me the word coaching, okay? People DM me the word coaching, and then you go ahead and ask them this. This is my script. Is it okay if I ask you a couple questions? Okay, cool. How old are you? How much do you weigh? Do you want to lose fat or build muscle? Then you can just ask them any questions like that, back to back, back to back. And then at the end, if you can help them, you say, hey, okay, sounds good. I could definitely help you. I have a video for you that explains what my one-on-one coaching offer and what it is. Is it okay if I send you the video? They say, yeah. Then obviously you have a video of you recording yourself like this, explaining what the one-on-one coaching is. You can just talk to them like this. You can make a little PowerPoint, however. And in there, all you say is literally like, okay, this is what my one-on-one coaching is. It's a 5-week program, 6-week program, 1 year coaching, 6 months, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to go ahead and get you from fat to skinny, from skinny to muscle, whatever their transformation is. You're not selling them a course or coaching. You're selling them the transformation, A to B, okay? Then at the end, you're like, okay, it's going to be a one-time payment of $2,000 for 6 months of coaching, for an example. And then if you're in, just message me you're in. And then they're gonna watch that video and say, I'm in. They say you're in, you send them the link for them to pay you. You can accept PayPal, Cash App, Apple Pay. You can go ahead and use Stripe. You can have a course where you go ahead and have videos like I have videos for you on a website. You can use School like I use. You can use Teachable, Kajabi. That shit don't matter. Accept the payment and then coach them. That's it. Make them a workout plan, make them a diet plan, give them a couple videos, text them every day, have a group for them. That's all you do. That's literally all you do. We try to overcomplicate things, and maybe you've seen other videos. That's literally all you do. And again, I like to show that I do this because a lot of people will just show you shit, right? They'll just show you and be like, oh yeah, I literally do this, and I have payments coming in every single day. So just to show you, right here. Okay, it's kind of blurry, my bad. I see right there, bro, there's payments coming in. You see? And this is on Teachable. So yeah, bro, you get it. someone right here charged back. That happens in business. Out of all the thousands of orders that I get, of course somebody's gonna try to be like, oh, I want my money back. It's part of the game, okay? So I currently do this, and I've done it. That's all you do. And now all these videos are just the intro videos. I just want to show you, get you to the right path, and then the next video is going to be step by step exactly how to do it. But that's literally all it is. Post a story, get people to DM you, send them a link for them to pay you, accept the payment, and coach them. That's it. That's literally it. Stop fucking procrastinating and get to work right now. Get to work right now. Right now. You can literally have a coaching client paying you $50, $100, $200, $1,000, $30,000 today.